Here's a new poem, guys. This one's called Rainy Days. Rainy days, small change next to climate change. You see, I try to make my words topical, a little bit political, but they come out sort of comical, a bit of a giggle, like the image of a backside doing a wiggle. And I want to talk about Donald Trump, but I end up thinking about that trip to the dump. And I try to be a practitioner of serious poetry, but it comes out all wrong, like a nonsense song, a bit too much like comedy. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look out for my new ebook, Poundland Orgy, which will be out shortly on the Amazon Kindle platform. Have a great day, guys.